We were given these abilities given to no other form of life. And now we're being taught and indoctrinated to believe that we are flawed, powerless victims of a world that we have no control over and that we need something outside of us. So the flip side of this now, in the new science, and this is exciting, is showing us, wow, that we are literally a highly advanced, technologically sophisticated, soft technology. Neurons, one of the reasons that science is beginning to think of us, that maybe some of your guests have talked about, is that we've been conditioned to think of our biology as this soft, gooey, sticky, wet stuff, inside the cells. And that is one way of thinking of us, but now the scientists are looking at us from a perspective of information technology. These are IT perspectives. There was the Journal of Advanced Computing Technology, which I don't read, and most of my colleagues don't as well, unless we're researching a book or something, came out with an article, and it showed that human DNA is literally a fractal antenna, is the term that they use. So what's that mean? We think of antennas being tuned to something very specific, like a specific TV station or radio station or, CB station or whatever. Fractal antennae are receiving multiple signals from a broad spectrum of bandwidth simultaneously. We're pulling in information from the world around us all the time across this broad spectrum, and then we're transducing it into meaningful signals in our bodies. That's a very different way of thinking of the human body. 50 trillion cells in the body. Every cell is a microcircuit. It's a gated circuit is what engineers call it. It's got input, output, all the functions within our cells. They function as transistors, as resistors, as capacitors that are massaging that information. Every cell has a voltage of about 0.07 volts. You say, well, that's not very much, but you do the math. 50 trillion times 0.07 is over 3 trillion volts of 3.5 trillion volts of electrical potential. Now, we don't actualize it all the time, but what if you could harness that for your own healing, or to optimize cognition, optimize whatever it is we're going to do in our